How to add a dynamic zoom effect in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and select the clip you want to apply the dynamic zoom effect to. Next, go to the inspector panel on the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find the dynamic zoom option and enable it by clicking the toggle switch. Choose from options like linear, ease in, ease out, or ease in and out to control how smooth or sharp the zoom transition feels. If you want to reverse the zoom direction, simply click the reverse button next to the dynamic zoom toggle. To see how your zoom looks, play the clip in the timeline and make any needed adjustment under dynamic zoom ease. Finally, once you are satisfied, you can render your video or continue editing other clips with the same method. And that's it. Now you know how to add dynamic zoom effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.